Good evening, everybody. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Monday, December the 1st. We are breaking bomb box full-size helmet. It is a one-box break. We did random teams on the left. We've already randomized the teams, customers, alphabetized everybody. Before we did that, though, we randomed up our 32 remaining box numbers out of the original 43. We got number 39. So that's what we go break. So we're going to start off with one of our bigger boys there. Let's see what we get. Oh. Bam! Going to be the Tennessee spot, everybody, with the Ryan Tannenhill Hydro F7 Authentic Beckett certification on that baby there. Again, very nice helmet, guys. That is going to be the Ryan Tannenhill. Alright, so who has Tennessee? Well, McNutty, you got a hit early there. Way to make up a little ground for yesterday. That one's going to McNutty, folks. Bought a bunch of the spots, obviously. Bought about half of the break there. Didn't hit anything until last night. Starting off the night with a hit here, though. Tell you, the Titans are another team that can't seem to figure themselves out. They were looking incredible, and then all of a sudden they went on a bit of a losing streak there. Bouncing back, but they're so up and down right now. Friggin' like the Raiders, man. Like I said, Raiders cannot figure themselves out either. They play the good teams well, and then they play the bad teams really bad. Here we go. I'm going to pull one of McNutty's out. All right, we got a 4. One, 2, 3, 4 times. I got McNutty and Lone Star, everybody. I'm very sorry, everybody else. That is going to be qualifiers 21-22, everybody. We're 11 boxes into our 43-box series. Still a whole lot of big hits left out there for you, fellas. Breakers Talk TV, YouTube, Facebook, Bobby Two Pops Breaks.